Hello everyone. This chapter will share with you the second part of the laser sim tracker. Laser sim tracker calibration. Chapter 5. Calibration result verification. After calibration, we need to test it for real. You can switch to the coordinate system interface time accuracy. Here is a taskbar where we can verify the accuracy. First, the first point is the weld point. Move the tip of the wire to the reference line. As shown on the screen. After moving, click on the weld position. Click Record. The second point is the point where the laser scans to the reference line. Move the laser line to the reference line. Then click Record. After the recording is complete, click Calculate. Then compare the first line and the fourth line. To confirm the difference between X and Y, the difference needs to be controlled within 1 毫米. If the difference meets the requirements, the calibration is successful. If the difference does not meet the requirements, then you need to recheck whether there is a calibration problem at the point. That's all for this section. Thank you all.